Okay, the next sound we're going to work on is a k sound. K, k, k. Now there's a lot of different ways we can make a k sound. First one being the letter C. K. Like cat or car. Second would be a K sound. We have like kill or kitten. Next we have CK, digraph. We have duck or luck. We could also have a CC sound, like soccer. Yeah, or occur. Alright, we could also have a CH sound that makes a K, like school or schooner. Or we could have, finally, a QUE sound that makes a K, like antique or opaque. Opaque. Alright, now very similar to the last couple sounds we made. The first thing you'll do to make a k sound is, number one, you make a seal at the back of your throat. Your tongue just rises up and it closes off the back of your throat. K. So make a seal at back of throat. Number two, your tongue is flat. Flatten your mouth, pulled back, tongue flat and pulled back. Three, you're gonna make a break, like a cutting break at the back of your throat, sending out cuts out the sides of your tongue. So out the bottom corners of your mouth, that's where you can feel it come out around the bottom of your tongue, out the sides of your mouth. So break, wind, with a crack, like you're breaking that seal.